Mentaka singi ka arfo tarik leber ar hajar pon riu Dr Mukul sangma no alam kelem persya apa indor bak tawan gejela lalej bani kendo yulat gejela halor jingjia Garo Hills agni singi kibala dep bat la aya kador khas haulat gejela abakran hiklat thai kubor hadin ka jinga kendo yulat gejela loong ba ka jingkmi lenti banweng ye jing e ka ba paj ba kidawa uno alam kelem persya Dr Mukul sangma loong ba yoi bakadon kalenti batla ban penulong ya kane jing dawa jang paj ba unoy lam kaleng persya ulong bon sa sim ya kane gamat ban kren bon menteri rang ba gajela ban na kaleng jo simet bat ki para mele kisneu badai bandon ya kynhun tohkit kepala luid ban tohkit ya jingjia Garo Hills hapo kendon jong ga an commission of inquiry a khak nai spa san ar bagan pej nya ya kane ulong ba la dadan ke jing tohkit kepala luid kandon ke jing shai ban lap ya ke jing shisha baro banom don shu kano ke jing perkhat sniu da kumai pan ya kane deiban yakren bat habadon ke jing tohkit ke bakhoj kanwan ra ya ke jing shanya haik paj ba bat ke jing tohkit kalong nabaro aliang
expectation of resolving this issue is from the positive perspective. I see a possibility to give effect to this demand of the people. But at the same time, there is also concern about the overall handling of the situation, particularly in respect to the authorities engaging in going after the leaders who have been perceived to have been, as per the available, whatever inputs are available with the legal authority, enforcement authorities. There's a perception which is circulated, or in other words, I will say that the overall circulation of narratives which is creating a general perception that law enforcement authorities are carrying out arrests in random and indiscriminate manner without proper verification of facts or involvement. Such perceived actions can lead to miscarriage of justice, could aggravate also the situation or otherwise the public unrest, and risk of implicating innocent persons while the real culprits may remain unidentified. It is very important that arrests met merely to demonstrate action or to diffuse immediate pressure may result in deterioration of the law and order situation, and rather than restoring the trust and confidence. Every action of the authorities must be seen as being done on good faith, with no bias, but in a transparent manner, in the with the sole intent of ensuring administration of justice in the right earnest, without any favor or ill will. Therefore, I will be taking up this issue with the Chief Minister again. I personally feel, after having consulted with my other colleagues, that it is necessary to have an independent inquiry by invoking the provision of the law under the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952. Let there be a Commission of Inquiry, which will go into the details about the genesis, etc., and which can be seen as a sincere effort of the government without any bias, or in other words, to also see that, because how the overall unrest and violence unfolded, it is very important for proper investigation to collect the kind of inputs which is consistent with the actual incidents at the ground zero, and therefore leaving no room for any negative narrative which can generate different perception to create that kind of overall perception that the authorities are taking advantage of the situation to settle some personal scores or etc. etc. There can be all kinds of narrative which can be circulated, and this is something which is actually happening. So the government must take cognizance of these things, and therefore I personally feel that we should discuss this approach. And we have also seen from the past experiences that any such inquiry under the mandate of the relevant law does give us space to instill trust and confidence amongst people. Then it will be seen as something which is being done with the honest intention to really look at the causes and the measures required as per the law to take cognizance of any lapses or omission or commission from all sides, including from the sides of the authorities. It cannot be one-sided. Therefore, I have submitted a memorandum to Honorable Governor today,